Welcome to Excel Module 3 textbook project. Let's get started. First, we're going to download our files. I won't reference the instruction file too much because I'm guessing you want a shorter video, so let's just open up our start file. First, we need to enable editing. Then we are going to rename our sheet by going back to our expected file name, copying, and pasting that. So File, Save As, select this whole title, and paste. Then we can save that. Now we are ready to get started. The first thing we're going to do is in A1, type with me, MANOLA, department, stores, comma, capital INC, period. Then in A2, type 6 dash month, both capitalized, financial projection. Good job. Now we are going to go to page layout, go to themes, and we're going to want the slice theme. Next, we're going to click B3 and we're going to type January, enter. And you're going to select B3 again and go to home. Then under our alignment, we can click this little arrow, and we're going to want this to be at a 75-degree angle. So type 75 and then press OK. That looks great. Now we're going to fill B3 to G3, so only January to June. And then in H3, type total. It should keep the formatting. And then in I3, type chart. Great job. Next, you're going to select column A, right click, go to column width, and we're going to want that at 38.5. Enter. And now click column B, hold down your shift, and then click column G, and then right click, change that column width to 15. Awesome. Next, we're going to type some more things. So click A4 and type revenue. A5 should be cost of, lowercase, goods sold, both capital, enter. Then gross margin. Then go to A8, don't type anything in A7, type expenses. A9 should be bonus. A10 should be salary. A11 should be site with an S, I think. Rental. 12 should be marketing. 13, miscellaneous, that's MISCELLANEOUS. Then 14 should be total expenses. Then A16 should be operating income. Next, we're going to select A5, and then also select A9 through A13. So how we do that is click Control, and then A9 through A13, and it'll highlight it all. And then we're going to increase the dent by going like that. Good job. Now we're going to type some more things. So in A18, type what hyphen if capitalized assumptions. Then select A9 through A13, copy it, not cut, and then in A19 paste that in. So just paste it right there. Then you're going to click on row 20 and right click and say insert, and that'll give us this row. And we're going to want to type in A20 now, sales revenue for bonus. 4 is not capitalized. Then click 19, right click, insert again. In the new 19, we are going to type margin. Oh, and for here, we are going to want to indent that again. Great. Now let's type some numbers. So in B19, we're going to type 81.25%. 81.25, and then use your percentage. Then we're going to type 500 0.00, enter. Then we're going to type 1250000 point, enter. Then we're going to type 20% and add the two like zeros at the end because that's how it wants us to format it. Then we're going to type 10.00%. Then we're going to type 3.50%. Sorry. And type that again. Great. Sorry, we want to change miscellaneous to 5% actually. Awesome. Next we're going to fill in some more numbers up here. So we're going to go to B4 and first we're going to type, I'm just going to go real fast, no need to do commas or decimal points, we'll add them after. So I'm just going to say the numbers. 1470500 February. 1405000 March. 1186600 April. 1498000 May. 1102900 June. 1145300 enter. Then select all of them and let's add 2 decimal places by clicking on your left one. Next we are going to go to H4 and you can double tap this auto sum and you should get 7808300. Next we are going to go to H1 and do a now formula. So type =, now, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, enter. It's formatted a little funky, so right click. We are going to go format cells. We're going to go to number, date, and then do this 2012-03-14, press OK. That looks great. And then last thing in this column, click column H, and then just click in between to fit it accordingly. Next, we are going to enter some formulas. So go to B5, this is my favorite part. We're going to go quick. =, B4 times parenthesis 1 minus $B $19. Enter. Yes, we do want to accept it. Sometimes it gets a little funky if you don't close the parenthesis. My bad. So B6 is =, B4 minus B5. Then we're going to come down to B6. Oh, we just did B6. B9. Here we go. We're skipping B7 and B8. So go to B9 right next to your bonus. =, if parenthesis B4 is greater or equal to $B $21, comma $B $20, comma 0 parenthesis, enter. Should get 5,000. Next in B10, =, B4 times B22. Enter. That might be absolute. Let me come back to that. I think it is. Put a $sign in front of your B and your 22. Enter. Then for site rental, we're going to go =, B4 times $B $23. Enter. Then for marketing, we're going to go =, B4 times $B $24. Then for miscellaneous, which is B13, we're going to say =, B4 times $B, $25, enter. Then for B14, we're going to go equal sum parenthesis B9 colon B13 close parenthesis, enter. Awesome. Next in B16, we are going to type equal sign B6 minus B14, enter. Now we're going to fill it, so this is the best part. You're going to go to B5 to B16, select that range, and drag it over to column G. Whew, that's so satisfying. And let's see if we did this right. Alright, this was an absolute value. That is just fantastic. Next, we're going to select H5 through H6, and then hold down Control and select H9 through H14, and also Control again and select H16. Oops. And you're going to double tap Auto Sum. Okay, forget this one for now. This is great. And then click this, Auto Sum. I don't know why it was having that problem, but that looks awesome. Let's move this up here. Next, we're going to click I4, and we want to insert a chart. So go to Insert, and we want a column. And the range, we want B4 colon G4, enter. And you can just drag that down to I16, and it won't fill in the blank spaces. We are also going to want to change that style. So under style, we're going to want to find blue accent 1, 40%. Perfect. Great. Now we're going to select B4 through H4. And then hit Control and select B6 through H6. Then hit Control again and select B9 through H9. Control again, B14 through H14. And then B16 through H16. Right click. We're going to go to Format Cells. Then go to Currency, and symbol should be $, and then you're going to do the last one, which is parenthesis in red. Click OK. Great. Now we're going to go to B5 through H5, so select that. Hit your Control and also select B10 through H13. And then right click, Format Cells. We're going to go to Currency again. No $, this time, just hit the fourth option, red with the parentheses for the negative numbers. Click OK. And that looks great. Now we're going to click column A and make everything in here bold. And then highlight cells A1 and A2. And we're going to make that fill into, come up here to the 4 from the left, and then drop down, so it's dark blue text 2, lighter 80%, and then the font should be the 4 from the left, just at the top. Dark blue text 2. Actually, it might be accent 1. Yeah, that looks more right. I'll make sure for that. A1, we're going to want it to be 28 for our text size. And then A2 is going to be 16. Great. Those colors are correct, but we want to do it through A1 through I2. Apologies. So select A1 through I2, and then come here to our fill, to dark blue text 2, lighter 80%, and then our text, you gotta redo it just to make sure the date gets in there. Just this one, 5th from the left. There we go. Next, we're going to select A3 through I3, and we're going to go to Cell Styles and make that heading 3. Then we're going to select A6 through H6, and also A14 through H14, so hit Control and select that. And then A16 through H16, hit Control again to do that. And we are going to make that cell style totals. So that's great. Now we're going to click on A4, and we could just click the fill because it'll be the same ones. And that is the same formatting as this. Then you're going to double click this paintbrush. Very important to double click it. And then with that, we're going to click A6. Then also click A16 through H16. And that is we're gonna have to reformat this in a sec. Just press escape and highlight B16 through H16, and then right click. You're gonna go to format cells, currency, and then just make it that same thing that we had. Press OK. That is awesome. Now click A18, and we're gonna make that 9-point font, so you could just double click this little A. Then we are going to italicize that and underline it. Next, highlight A19 through B25 and make that 9-point font as well. Then click A18 through B25, and we're going to use that same formatting. So make those colors the same. Next, we're going to make a chart. So go to A3 and select A3 through G3. Then go down, hit Control, and select A9 through G13. Now we're going to go to Insert, Recommended Charts. It recommends a clustered column. Click OK. And from there, under Chart Design, you're going to see Move Chart. So you want to click Move Chart to a new sheet. That new sheet should be titled Expense Chart Sheet, and click OK. That's great. Title, rename to 6 capital M month projected expenses, and then highlight it all and make it underlined. Awesome. Now you're going to click the plus and click data labels, then come over here, and we're going to want it outside end. It looks like it's already that. That's great. Now click your filter and unselect or uncheck bonus and salary. Then you're going to click apply, and that is great. Then you can click here to get out of there. Then we want to go press our plus again, click axis title, and we don't want it, we only want it vertical, so unclick the horizontal, then click out of there. Next we're going to rename our axis title to just a $sign, enter, oh wait, don't press enter, just click out, and we can click that again, right click it, and go format axis title, and it was already open. From here, from your title options, we're going to click this orientation one, and text direction, we are going to make it horizontal. And that's great. Next, we're going to change this to style 6. So you're going to come to your paintbrush, and under style 8, is this style 6? 5, 6. Where is it, you guys? Style 1, 2, 3, 6. Here we go. So now it's at style 6. That's great. Then you're gonna click this left hand of numbers, right click, format access again, scroll down to number, open up number, and we want 0 decimal places, so click 0 and enter. Then after that, you're gonna go back to your plus sign, go back to your filter, unselect all, and then reselect all, click apply, and then go back to your plus sign and unselect data labels. This is just the order it wants us to do. Then we're going to change this color of our expense chart sheet by right clicking it, go to tab color, then we're going to the fourth option from the left, dark blue text 2. And next in sheet 1, we are going to retitle that by double clicking and say 6 month financial projection. Enter. Then right click this, go to tab color, then we're going to do this teal one, third one from the left top row. Next we are going to switch the order of this, so just click expense chart and you can just drag it over. Okay y'all, I believe we're close to done. All we have to do, I would say, is go to File, and this is just good habit, go to Print, make it landscape orientation, let's scale it so fit all columns on one page, and then we can go back to home. I'm going to turn it in and make sure we got a 100. I think we might need to fix a few things. Alright, 90 out of 100, not too bad. It looks like I maybe spelled something wrong. So Manola, let's see, Manola, I'll enable editing, department, yes, department. Alright, department stores, incorporated, that should be fixed. In the first worksheet, one or more cells in the B19 through B25 range. B19 through B25. Okay. Contain an incorrect value. Interesting. I'll look at our instructions. Give me one sec. In the expense chart worksheet, the cluster column chart's vertical axis value should be formatted using a custom number format with 0 decimal places. I thought we did that. It looks like this is 0 decimal places. Let's go to our numbers. 0 decimal places. Alright. 0.00. Hopefully that'll fix it. Alright, those were our only 3 mistakes. I hope this gives us a little boost. Let me check these values real quick. My only guess for this would be that it's not formatted like a number, like with decimal places. So just copy this. I'm going to go format cells. Right now I'm just kind of having maybe a little fun fixing it up. I'm going to press OK. And let's put a comma in there too, see if that fixes it. Now I'll go turn it in. Alright, we got a 96 out of 100. I'm going to say this is good enough. I don't know what's happening with these vertical values. It doesn't look like there's a decimal place, but I had fun. God bless you all. I hope you had a great time too. See you on the next one.